Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to do something really simple which is going to transform the look of this car. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy it. And if you like this kind of content with my own cars, this gorgeous Maserati GranTurismo from 2013, an MG Midget from 1970, and a cute little SLK from 2008, it'd be great to have you as a subscriber. So I think it's widely agreed that the Maserati GranTurismo is one of the best looking cars ever made. It's got this timeless design. But one of the things that has never really worked on this car is the wheel spacing. The wheels were never kind of filling the arches properly. So one of the best things that you can do to improve the look of the GranTurismo is to add some wheel spacers, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. This is some footage that I took when I first got the car, and you can see from these close-ups just how badly the wheels actually fit the wheel arches. And the wheels themselves are actually a great design, so it really spoils it when they just look so sunken in like this. Oh gosh, they're nicely packed in little boxes. That's rather good. Let's see what we've got here. There you go, nicely boxed up. What have we got here? Okay, so we've got 3 boxes. That's a bit weird. I would have thought we would have had 4 boxes, but anyway. Okay, so this is the 20mm, I think. And that looks like it comes with bolts that go through into the hub, and then you screw the original bolts into these holes here. So I'm assuming these should actually go in through there like that. So that will, can you see that? I don't know. And they're really well made, I have to say. Beautifully finished, with this kind of knurling on the edge. Okay, so these are the slightly narrow ones. So those are the larger ones. Okay, we've got 2 of the narrow ones, 2 of the thicker ones, and then we've got some bolts in here. The nice forged, wow, they're really nice bolts as well. Excellent. So there we go. So let's go and put these on the car and see what they look like. I'll just loosen the bolts slightly. So the front spacers are really easy. You just slip them over the hub like that, and then you use the supplied extra long bolts to put the wheel back on. Wow, that looks way better already. Essentially the same procedure for the back wheels, except that you have a slightly different mounting mechanism for the spacer. So this is slightly different, so you need to use these bolts here in those holes to go through into the hub, and then you screw your wheel into these holes here. That's it. Beauty. And then we just screw these in. When you put these on, it actually looks like there's a gap between the wheel spacer and the hub, but it's actually just got this lip around the corner here, and that's for ventilation. So that's how it should be. God, these wheels are enormous. Just huge, 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 huge. Well, they certainly fill the wheel arches now. That's a completely different look. Compared to this side. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I think you'll agree that adding those wheel spacers to the GranTurismo just transforms the look of the car. And I just want to shout out to the manufacturers of these wheel spacers, Bonos. I'll leave a link in the description. The quality of these products is really excellent, and they're a lot cheaper than some of the rival wheel spacers that are available online. So check them out. I highly recommend their wheel spacers. So thanks very much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber, and hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram down here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.